So this is the weekly chart of HDFC Bank. As you can see that this stock is in a clear long-term uptrend. So now you can clearly see why all the mutual funds have HDFC Bank in their portfolio. It is in a long-term uptrend. In this chart we see one area where the price was in a little sideways movement. Let me draw a rectangle. At this point of time, the price was in a sideways movement. We can clearly see that there are no higher highs, higher lows, but in fact we are seeing equal highs and equal lows. After coming out of the sideways movement, the price resumed its uptrend. Let me draw a trend line this time. So this is the trend line which depicts a clear uptrend. In an uptrend, a trend line is drawn by connecting all the lows. Now we see that not all the low points are getting touched by the trend line. It's absolutely okay. The correct way to draw a trend line is by connecting the most number of low points as far as possible. Please keep in mind that you must pay respect to the latest, the newest low while drawing a trend line. You cannot make a trend line by connecting this point, then this point, and then this point. Then the trend line would not cover this point. It is important to cover this low because we still know that the trend is still intact. The trend is still up. That is why we drew a trend line ignoring these two lows and just by considering these low. That's all for the video. Goodbye.